Did you know that Manchester employees and students can install Microsoft Office apps on up to 5 personal computers, Macs, tablets, or phones? If you need Outlook, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Teams, or Access, get them on your computer by going to office.com. Click Sign In and then enter your email address. When it gives you the option, choose the Work or School account and log into the following screen with your MU username and password. When the page loads on a desktop computer, there should be a menu above the app listing that says Install Office. Click on it and then choose Office 365 Apps. Follow the instructions on screen. Most likely, your browser will automatically start a download. When it is finished, open the installer and let the wizard run. You can find the Office app you want by opening the Start menu and starting to type its name. To get Office on your phone or tablet, open the same Install Office menu at office.com, but choose Other Install options instead. Then click on View Apps and Devices, and then click on the type of device you have. You can also just search for Microsoft Office in your device's App Store.